Hello friends, welcome to my next lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to see adding tables to the application. Okay guys, so in our last lecture, we have seen or rather we have created our custom table as a leave request, alright? So we are going to see how we are going to add this leave request table inside our application. Okay guys, okay, and before that let me show you all these like forms, views and relationships in detail, because in our previous lecture these were empty, right? Because system took some time to populate all these things. Okay, so now it is populated. Let me show you that first. So if you go to the forms, the system have already created different types of forms for you. All are ready to use, and that those can be used inside the application. Okay. Similarly, views, system have already created these many views for you, and some are the default views and public views. So we will see um, what are the types of views, what are the types of forms in our upcoming lectures. So for now, just um, no, just to know, there are different types of views, there are different types of forms in the system, and system provides you some inbuilt forms and views to you to directly use inside the application, and you have the option to create your own view or your own form. Okay, guys, that we are going to cover in our upcoming lectures. And if you see, system have already created a bunch of relationships with different tables already, right? So under the related table, there are the tables as user. We can see business unit. We have some different system tables already. So this leave request table is already related with the system tables such as user, which is um, related to this column created by, and so on and so forth. Okay, right? So that's the one thing that I wanted to show you before create adding the table inside the application, right? So let's go to the application and just open it in the edit mode like this. Takes some time. Okay, so here in this navigation bar, I want to add our newly created leave request um, table. Okay, so for our case study, we will need leave request, a link here in the navigation bar, but we don't require accounts and contacts here for our case study. So you can delete it if you want. I'm going to keep it for our some um, testing purpose, but you can delete it. Okay, so to add the table to the application, just click on the add page here. Just select the data table and search for the table. Okay, leave request. Yeah, so in navigation and click on add. Here you go, guys. Uh, you see here the name shows as leave requests, so it is plural name, guys, right? So we discussed regarding the plural names while creating the tables, right? So that name I told you I will show you inside the application where it is used, right? So it is used by system to show the navigation. Here also, if you see inside the views also, you can see the plural name of the table, right? So that is the use of the plural name. Hope you got it. And let's hit on the new. So this is the current form structure, and it is using the title and owner as a field inside the form, right? So these are the two attributes from the view request table we have currently on the form. So this the second field is owner, right? So owner field is um, related to the user table, which is system table. Okay, so it is the lookup column where you can select the user from the user table. Okay, so you saw that, right? Relationship. Let me show you that relationship here. Under the relationships, if you see the owner column here, and it is related to the owner table, and the relationship is many to one. Okay, hope you understood, guys, because um, at the leave request, so this means that many to one means that we one owner can have multiple leave requests. So this is other way around. Okay, so here for object id there is the relationship one to many. So for the relationships we are having one separate lecture on that, to discuss on the relationship types. So for now just understand this, like this leave request uh, table is already having the relationship with the owner table inside the system. Okay, so yeah, this is the way we can add the table inside the application. So let me publish it here, save and publish. So it will, the changes will be available to all the users. Okay, it is publishing it. Yep, so it is published. And anything else? Okay, in the next lecture we will see, or rather we will add all the attributes, remaining attributes to the table, leave request table. So I think we have already added the title, and the remaining attributes we will add inside the table in upcoming lecture. Okay, so hope you understood, and if you have any question just reach out to me in the comment section, and do like, subscribe and follow my channel for new videos. Thank you guys, bye.